Hi, this is Julie with Three Sisters Sundries. I'm here today to tell you the details for the contest I announced on the unboxing video for the Lolly Palooza design team project for the December Documented. Lolly will be giving away this beautiful die set from Elizabeth Crafts Designs called the Christmas Door, and here is the one I made from it. All the dies are included to make all these little details in this door. It's really a beautiful design. To enter the contest, you must go to that unboxing video, like and comment, and subscribe to my channel. The winners will be randomly drawn from the comments on that video on October 19th. You must be 13 years or older to enter the contest. It is open to international as long as you can type out your address. I think that's all the details I need to tell you for the contest. I will leave a link in the description box for that unboxing video. Also, I will leave a link for the kits in Lolly Palooza's shop so that you can follow along and make a December Documented of your own. I will also leave a link for the playlist for the entire series so that in case you didn't catch something or you need to catch up, or you're starting a little bit later, then you can go back and watch all of them. I hope you play along with me. I'm really excited to get started. I will be starting soon on the first few pages, so keep an eye out for that. And I appreciate you watching and wish you all the best of luck in the contest.